Good morning, my name is Armin and this is John's IDF's PC assembly video. For this build, our master processor is Intel i5 13th generation 13400 processor. And for the motherboard, we have chosen ASUS Prime B760MA motherboard, DDR5 supporting motherboard. For the RAM storage, we are using ADATA XPG Hunter DDR5 16GB RAM sticks. For the NVMe, we have chosen Crucial NVMe P3 500GB 3500 MHz speed. For the cooler, instead of using an Intel stock cooler, we are using AK400 DEEPCOOL air cooler for this build. To support a PC, you need an SMPS, and the SMPS we have selected is Antec's Neo Eco Modular 650 watts bronze module. Now, let's come to the hard disk. The hard disk we have chosen is Western Digital 1TB hard disk. Now, the master of all PCs, the PC case. The PC case we have chosen here is COOLERMASTER's MASTERBOX K501L RGB. Now let's assemble all of these components into a beautiful PC. Thank you for spending your valued time and watching our video.